the first video on my SD card of the
That's not a
year.
road mic, just.
Do it again.
Just walk in there and say WOM. I can't. Hi! Direct.
Mike, this is how you use the tripod. Thank you.
What button do you push?
You push a button! Which button?
The red button! Push it!
Are there 2 red buttons?
Yes! They both work!
Where?
Push the button! One here! One here! Push the button! Oh, okay, get out! Get out, fella!
Did you push the button? All right.
Yeah, I pushed the button! I can't do this. I can't put the battery in. How do I do it? You hit the button!
Push the button. Do it. Do it. Just do it. Push the button. Do it.
Then once you have all that set up, you push the button!
Play-Doh. There's Play-Doh.
Push it!
Are there 2 red buttons?
Yes! They both work!
Where?
Push the button! One here! One here! Push the
And they call it a tripod because tri means 3.
You want to push the button! Turn it on. Push, you just push the button! Push it!